In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep track of rental repair history in our software. So let's say you have something on rent and it's broken, or a customer broke it, or someone else broke it, and you need to get that fixed, and you want to be able to basically track the repair history of these units or whatever you're renting. So the first thing is we got to go into the desktop software, and we're going to have a rental. I'm going to go ahead and make one. Let's say Domino's Pizza is just renting an item from us. Now, it's important that you use serial numbers. It's the only way you can really track these. So you must have serial numbers set up on your rental inventory list. You would have your items with serial numbers. So we're assuming this is already done. And in these rentals, you would actually be selecting the serial numbers. And then you have a price for the rental. So now that I have a rental for Domino's Pizza, we have that rental right there. Let's say something breaks on it. Now you can go into the rental and swap out the serial number and, put a new one on rent. But really what you want to do is keep track of this in a task. So we're going to create a task, and this is a repair task. We can select Domino's from the drop down here because that's the customer that's going to have this. And then please fix the unit was broken by accident. So accidentally broken. Assign that to somebody who's going to get that taken care of. Now, the key here is that you must hit the Rentals tab along the top, and then you have a button that says Get Rentals. When you click this, it's going to load any items that are on rent for that customer. So if you had, 100 items on rent, they're all going to load, and you're going to check off the items with this black dot here that you want on this repair task. Now, you can type in locations if you'd like. Put in the price, put in any notes you want, and that'll be tracked. But the key here is to make sure you check off the equipment that you're actually getting repaired. Now, in a normal situation, the task is going to be closed, it's going to be sent out, it's going to be repaired, and a couple days, a week down the road, you're going to come back into this task by double-clicking the task number, and you can do one of two things. You can either close this task by hitting, well, first of all, you must put in a resolution. So let's put a resolution in. Unit has been fixed. We are now good to go. So you can go ahead and put this unit back in stock because I'm sure the customer probably has a new one already. Now, if you don't want to charge the customer, it's being covered by whatever, insurance or just regular costs, you can just hit Post a Notes. That'll simply close the task out. If you do need to charge this customer because it's something malicious or that's your policy, you could go to Line Items, Add Line Items, and put in charges. Once you're done charging that, you'd click the invoice button and send the QuickBooks just as you normally would, and that invoice will show up for that customer. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to click the Post a Notes button here, which is going to close out this task. Task is now closed. So the way that we re-access the history on these units is we're going to go to Rental Info, Rental Inventory List, and right here you have a Rental Repair List button. Go ahead and click that. And this will become a history. Now you can sort this by just the type of equipment. Now I only have one item that I rent out, item 1. But if you had a lot of different items, you could select it from the drop down. The system will sort. You could also just click in this yellow box and type in the number. Like I know that was unit number 1005, and tab out, and it'll sort and show you this. And of course, if you have multiple repairs on this unit, they're all going to be listed here. It'll tell you the task that's related to those repairs, who entered it, who it was assigned to, and the dates that you expected to have those back. It'll also give you the notes of the original task description along with the resolution and task-specific notes. So this is a really good way to keep track of, the tasks, how this was done, who fixed it, who did what, and get a good history on each unit that you're getting fixed. So it's a pretty quick video, but it's a really cool thing that you can use, and it's very helpful in the industry. So thank you for watching today's video, and have a great day.